Europe,
Yes.
and North Africa and the Middle East.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and they want to work with the colleges. They're very excited about the possibility of using your technology for the schools and for many other applications.
Yeah,
And they
exactly.
really understand the technology very easily.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are
So,
trying to make a telepresentation system, which means
okay.
we can present to any other place in the world. It's like I'm doing presentation from my room. So when I try to show my notebook,
Yeah.
this screen, if you start pointing, this one become big. So everybody watching here. We use this one in the classroom like this. This classroom.
Excellent. Wow.
Yeah, this is the conference room. And then the presenter showing like this. For example, this is the video in the room.
Okay.
This is my machine. Presenter is here, presenter. And
Yeah.
presenter showing here. And this screen, here, we show in big screen here. So everybody watching presenter and presenting material together. Sometimes presenter become very big because his face here very small. But once we make his face in the screen big here, and that way we change the way of conference in the room. And this video recorded, and also this video broadcast all over the country. Same way I'm doing. For example, I'm the presenter, and this is my PowerPoint. This one can go everywhere. In Greece, Athens, Rome, everywhere we can make a virtual conference. So any international conference you have in Athens, we can record and broadcast. So Seoul Conference Hall, Athens Conference Hall, we can share.
Yeah.
Same thing, the university, we can do same way. Any classroom in MIT, for example, we can make a classroom collaboration from MIT school, Athens school, can have same presentation as long as they use this machine in their classroom. This is the basic concept how we make a really tele-presentation. That's what we are working to make this system. So this machine is a small size like this. So you can put in any studio, and that studio become production presentation studio. So any live presentation can become very beautiful like I'm doing now. Okay? So when I try to make the students bigger, like here, we can talk each other like this. So this is the way how we make real-time communication. So the room I am doing is like this. You can see my room and very messy in front. This is my office here, and everything is very straightforward. So any student in the classroom, any student in Athens or other place, we can combine and broadcast all over the country. So for example, this is the studio. So we have my presentation is here. So if I do presentation, this is camera, and it brings up like this. So there is no operator around me except me. This machine is self-operated machine, so you don't need any external operator. The only thing operator help is making beautiful studio, slightly adjusting the size of monitor. For example, right now, this monitor, I can make any size in real time. Okay? So that way you can change very quickly to put this one in any place here. So everything you can do by yourself without any professional operator. And same time you can do this monitor color, for example, any decoration of monitor color also you can change, like this color change, or you can make a color change.
Excellent. Yeah, fantastic.
Everything is so easy that any people can change the decoration completely so they can make a beautiful video output in real time.
Okay.
So you can put this one in any classroom.
Yeah, yeah. So look, we can, we talked to our friends already, we can open all the market of the, GCC countries, Europe,
Yes.
Africa.
Yes.
We're fast and very good.
Yes. This is
We have
the
to make exclusivity agreement,
yes.
and we can move that. I mean, you can have a huge income within 2-3 months maximum.
Yes, very good, very good, exactly.
You know?
Yeah, because you can install this one in every classroom. For example, I have a classroom. In the classroom demo, I can show you. For example, here I have a, let's say, this is my Facebook. We can connect the Facebook there. For example, my Facebook showing many videos here.
Right.
This is the.
It's good.
For example, this is the real classroom.
Huh?
He's doing teaching, presenting, and all these people watching this output on the TV. There is a presenter, there is a PowerPoint.
Yes.
So live recording. If he show this way, the classroom become like a theater. And same time, this video recorded and broadcast all over the country.
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, so you can put this one in any studio. That studio, any e-learning studio, any broadcast studio become very easy, productive studio.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's the whole idea we are trying to bring.
Oh. So how we do? You're gonna make a trip to Greece
Yes.
to sign the contract.
Yeah.
You would like to come? Because we can make it. Now we are June. If we meet, let's say by the end of the month, July, August, September, 3-4 months, you have made a big fortune already. And it's known everywhere, between university, ministries, countries, royalties.
Yeah.
Because we are friends with the royal family in Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
And we have all the universities, etc., etc.
Yeah, one idea. Anyway, what I want to do is, for example, let me give you one video.
Yes.
This is some video I want to show you. My YouTube has a lot of video. You can see many things.
Yeah.
For example, I put this one in the real classroom. You see this video. He's teaching in the classroom like this. So all this classroom, we have a live video from the class. It's not using virtual studio, it's using AR studio. But we have a very beautiful scene output to broadcast and recording from the classroom. If you look at every classroom in university, senior high school, nobody doing recording now. Because even they have a video, there's no use because nobody watching. But once they use our machine for recording, the video become very valuable video which can replace the live lecture. This is very important.
Very good.
Okay, anyway, please send me your company profile so we can review, and then we can make some contract for distributing this product in Greece. And we can start business together.
In Europe and GCC and
Okay.
Africa. Okay.
Great. Yeah.
Okay. So I will tell Alen to give me your contact so
Yes.
we can communicate directly. Alen and us is the same. We have no problem.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Okay.
the soonest the best. Okay.
Okay. Great. Nice talk.
Pleasure talking.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you to you.
Okay,
Dr.
Alen.
Kim,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Please say hi to my friend here.
Okay.
Hi, say hi to Dr. Kim.
Hi, this is you. Nice to see you.
Marco.
Yeah.
These guys are very good friends and expert in the cannabis growing business.
Oh.
Very, yeah. And we're doing a project here. But thank you for your time and thank you for meeting Hugo and Ilyana.
Yeah.
I will email Loop and we can start the discussion. But we want to invite you to come to Athens very soon, and
Okay.
you and your wife, and we'll show you a good time in Greece, and we can talk business together. Okay?
Yes. Actually, you know, we are making also the simulator. This is the product I'm trying to bring, the motion simulator. So showing
good,
in
good.
Palau, in Greek, everywhere we can make a motion simulator as well. I can send this one later.
Sure, we
Yeah.
can look. I'm very happy with that simulator. Very nice.
Yeah, this is
and
the
then
simulator
can
we
put that
have.
in Palau, but I told them about the simulator, and
Yeah,
they want to also put it in the Middle East and Greece and
yeah,
Europe.
yeah.
So
Exactly.
they want to do it.
Okay. Okay, very nice. Nice talking.
So let's. I will talk to you soon. I'll send emails, and then maybe I'll come to Korea very soon and meet with you. But please look at your calendar when
Okay.
we can go to Athens together. But before you come to Athens, you have to come to Palau first.
Okay. Anyway, let's make some contract to make a concrete relationship and do big business together. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Looking forward to that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Kamsahamnida. Thank you.
Yeah. You too. Bye.